Where can you get your best sewing machine in Nigeria? No other place than Zinzutech Nigeria Limited, the home of sewing machines. Talk of any brands is available at our store, at our showroom. Visit us at number 4 Oremeta Street, Ojujubega. Zinzutech Nigeria Limited, the home of sewing machines. We have all kinds of sewing machine, domestic, industrial, tabletops, all kinds of lock stitch. When you talk of accessories, we have it in abundance. Different spare parts of sewing machines, accessory, needles is available at our showroom. We also consult, train, repairs all kinds of sewing machine. Zinzutech, the home of sewing machine.